Hello and welcome to the BSNR portal. Here, I am going to tell you how to make transactions as a processor in this portal. There are three steps. First, creating a GRN. Second, bundling. Third, dispatch receipt. First, to create a GRN is something that is to be raised against the supplier from whom you are procuring from. Here, in this case, it can be a farmer or any other supplier. To create a GRN, click on the Add button. Select the supplier's dispatch receipt. As soon as you do that, all the details in that invoice will be auto populated in front of you. You can edit or make the changes here. As soon as you're done filling all the details, if you have any evidence to be uploaded, you can upload it here and just simply click on submit. You will see the GRN details have been added successfully. Click on OK. Now, in a case where you do not have the dispatch receipt, where the seller hasn't created a dispatch receipt for you, you can simply click the checkbox, Grower's dispatch receipt not available. Now enter all the details manually. Product as natural rubber, material type as latex, required quantity, DRC, etc. If you have any upload evidence to be uploaded, you can upload it here and click on submit. The GRN details have been added successfully. Click on OK. Now moving on to bundling. You can bundle using the GRNs that have been created right in front of you. You can see the bundle number will be auto-populated in front of you. To start filling all the details one by one, like the product, product type, the GRN from which you want to create the bundles. You can select one or multiple GRNs from which you want to create the bundles and simply click on Add GRN. Here, you can make the changes as per the quantity required. Once done, click on Save. Bundles will have been created successfully. Now moving on to the dispatch receipt. Dispatch receipt is something that has to be raised to whom you are selling to. Click on the Add button again, click on the product, and fill all the details in front of you, one by one. If you have any purchase order, serial number, customer reference number, you can fill in all the details one by one, but all these options are not mandatory. Once you have filled in all the details, click on the bundle number, click on Add Bundle. Here, you can add the invoice quantity that is less or equal to the number in front of you. Once that is done, just click on Save. The dispatch receipt has been raised successfully. Click on OK. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching.